Understanding foot fault in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term foot fault. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on enriching your English vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's step into the game and decode this interesting phrase together. To understand foot fault, we first need to look at its origin in the world of sports, specifically tennis. In tennis, a foot fault is a specific error made by a player. It occurs when the player's foot crosses the baseline, the back line of the court, before they hit the ball when serving. It's like stepping over a boundary that you're not supposed to cross. Now, how does this term fit into everyday English? A foot fault has transcended the tennis courts and is used metaphorically to describe a minor mistake or a faux pas, particularly when someone oversteps a boundary figuratively. It implies a small error rather than a major wrongdoing, often due to carelessness or oversight. Let's put foot fault into action with some examples. When John interrupted the speaker at the conference, he committed a foot fault that embarrassed his colleagues. "I didn't mean to cause any harm. It was just a foot fault when I mentioned the surprise party to Anna." Understanding when to use foot fault is key. It's perfect for situations where someone has made a minor mistake, especially when talking about social or professional scenarios. However, it's not suitable for serious errors or in a very formal context. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify what foot fault means and how you can use it in conversation. Remember, we all make foot faults now and then. It's how we learn and improve. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language gems. See you in the next video.